We have built a CPA system that will pay you 30% commission continuously for 12 months. And while this is paying you, you're actually going to be helping a lot of businesses at the same time. I'm going to break down how this thing works. So imagine this, every business has one objective, and which is to increase their sales. And they are going to spend money to make sure that they increase their sales. They are ready to invest money to get more customers. And most businesses struggle with this process, either struggling with how to attract these people, how to nurture them, and how to close them to buy their product. But imagine when you walk to these businesses or just DM these businesses and say, hey business, I know a particular software or tool that can help you do this, and it is Serlzo.com. And these people go on Serlzo.com, create their account, and begin to manage their entire marketing and sales process on Serlzo. What would happen is that anytime, as far as they are using Serlzo, you'll be paid 30% commission of the money they use to get access to Serlzo to your account for 12 months. So imagine this, you have 10 businesses and we are paying you 30% commission every month for 12 months. That means in a full year, 30 businesses will literally be funding a lot of money. You'll be making a lot of money from this business. I would have said funding your lifestyle actually, but that wouldn't be nice to say, right? But actually, these businesses will be paying you 30% for just using Serlzo, and it's going to happen off of Serlzo. So Serlzo is saying, hey, tell businesses how amazing Serlzo is, get them to use Serlzo. Of course, you can also join them using Serlzo, and you get paid up to 30% for 12 months. Imagine if you do it for 30 businesses, 40 businesses, 50 businesses, every single month, 50 businesses, 30% from everything they use to get access on Serlzo comes to you as the referrer. That is what we are doing right now on Serlzo. So all you need to do is to go to your Serlzo account. If you don't have a Serlzo account, just go to www.serlzo.com, create your account, set up your business, go to the affiliate program section. Once you click on the affiliate program section, if it's your first time, you'll be required to set up your affiliate account. Once you do that, you have your account set and you have your referral link that you can use to send to these businesses to try out. You can even try different means of co-DMing them on Instagram or on Twitter or whatever channel. If you have their WhatsApp number, send them a message, say try out Serlzo on Facebook, make a couple of posts, and you see how these businesses will really be grateful that you introduce them to a powerful software that is helping them manage their sales process, and in turn you'll be paid 30% for 12 months for that single business. How about that? All right, if this is amazing for you, I hope to see you in the affiliate program of Serlzo. See you next time.